Hey guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips and English, the best pregnancy centric channel. The journey of pregnancy is generally of 40 weeks, though this period varies from woman to woman, but this 40 week is a quite general period. In this video, I will tell you about the different terms that are used when the baby is delivered. Sometimes the baby is delivered early than the expectation, that is known as the early term. Sometimes at the right time, that is known as the full term. And then sometimes the delivery becomes late. What do we call that? And what after that? So it's a kind of a knowledgeable video. So do stick to it. So let's start the video. So friend, there are the four levels for the pregnancy duration that is used. The number one is early term, or we call it preterm. So if the baby is delivered anywhere between 37th week to 38th week and 6 days of the pregnancy, then this kind of pregnancy is known as early term pregnancy or the preterm pregnancy. The number second level is full term. When the baby is delivered between 39th week to 40th week and 6 days, then this type of pregnancy is known as full term pregnancy. And if your delivery is bit late and the baby is delivered anywhere between 41st week till 42 weeks, that is approximately 1 week late, then this type of pregnancy is known as late term pregnancy. But if you are too much late and the delivery is not done because your normal delivery is expected and you are not having the labor pain and it is beyond your 42 week, then this sort of pregnancy will be called postterm pregnancy. So friend, when the baby is delivered, according to that, the pregnancy is termed as, and the full term pregnancy is the best when everything is going normal. But in case of the twin pregnancy, or if your pregnancy is a high risk pregnancy, then it is always considered good to bring out the baby as an early term pregnancy because there is a risk of the survival of the baby in the womb. So it is always considered that the baby who are twin or the pregnancy is high risk pregnancy, you are going for the early term, that is between the 37th to 38th and the 6 days of pregnancy. But this is not a hard and fast rule. Even if you are having twins or a high risk pregnancy, but still your doctor can see that everything is monitored, regulated and in control, you can go for the full term as well. But in most of the time, these cases are delivered early term or the preterm. When you have achieved your full term, that is between the 39th week, by this time the baby is almost fully matured, fully developed. All organs of the babies are functioning properly. The brain development, the lungs and the liver are functioning quite well, and this is just the right time where the delivery should be done. The babies who are delivered with the full term are having less chances of having any problem associated with hearing, vision, breathing, swallowing, etc. Baby can suck the milk of the mother very well, and the chances of the well-being of the baby are more certain. But in case you have crossed your full term and still you have not delivered the baby, this is the right time you should consult your doctor because it should not be very late, because this way the weight of the baby is increasing. There are the high chances that the amniotic sac can rupture or the level of the amniotic fluid can come down, which could be a dangerous situation. If this video has enhanced your level of knowledge about pregnancy, do give me a thumbs up, press the like button. If you have come to this channel first time, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and select all. Let's connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then guys, peace out and stay happy and stay healthy.